Okay, got the bank shaker bolted down. It's a bit sturdy. There's still some wobble to it. I think that's because I broke 3 bolts in there. So what I'm going to do, I don't feel like drilling through this plate, is they're in there pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to weld this stand to them bolts. And that should sturdy it up the rest of the way. This one over here is kind of a little wobbly, but I think once that's one solid, because there's no heads on that right now, it's just 3 broken bolts. So weld that there. Gonna go to the socket, work on these. I think my problem is I'm just using too small of a bolt for what I'm doing, or too small of a screw. But yeah, I've already broken like 12 to 14 of them, so worst comes worst, we just grind them off, fill in the holes with some concrete repair stuff, and move them over a little and get way bigger bolts. But kind of weld that one solid and see how the paint shaker works. Bench grinder, I mean, you push against it when you're grinding something, but the paint shaker, I mean, it shakes really bad, so it might just come loose, and we don't want that. So till next time, guys, catch you on the next one. Working in the ATV shop, getting these stands bolted down. I think I might just go ahead and order the correct bolts because I know myself too well. And catch you guys on the next one.